Billy was having a fireworks party in his garden with his family and friends. Billy and Bobby built a small fire, but Billy's mother was not happy because sometimes the smoke blew inside the house. When Billy's father lit the first firework, everybody looked at the beautiful colors in the night sky. Rocky the dog was scared, and he ran inside the house and hid under a bed. What has just happened? Billy and Bobby have built a fire. Smoke has blown inside the house. Billy's father has lit the first firework. Rocky has run inside the house, and Rocky has hidden under a bed.